All right, guys. So I'm gonna walk you through how to forget networks on your iPhone, Wi-Fi networks. If you're having some issues with your network, you might want to forget it and reconnect. So here how we're gonna do that. First, we're gonna go to the settings section, and inside of settings, just select Wi-Fi. And here you can see I have two networks that are mine, right? So I have the one that I'm connected to and the one that I can delete. So I'm just gonna hit this info button here, and at the very top, it's forget this network. And if I click that, your iPhone and other devices using iCloud will no longer join this Wi-Fi network. So I'll hit forget. And now that home network has been um, relegated back to just a network. It's not a saved network on my iPhone. Now to reconnect, you would just select it, put in your password, hit join, and if the password's right, it should join back into the network. So, um, well, the password was not right. But that's how we're going to do it. That's how we're going to delete saved networks on our iPhone. I hope this helps, guys. If it does, if you could, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.